Hi everybody, it's Teacher Denise. We are working on dyeing eggs today, and someone suggested that we check out naturally dyed eggs. I know grocery shopping can be a little bit weird these days. I actually wasn't even sure we were going to get enough eggs to do this activity, and we were able to track down some eggs. But for those of you who are having a hard time going to the grocery store and maybe can't pick up one of those dye packs with the little colored pellet things, we're going to try out some naturally dyed eggs. So let me show you what we got. All right, so here are all of the ingredients that we're cooking down to get our dyes. The website told me that this purple cabbage would dye our eggs blue, and this is turmeric, and it's supposed to make our eggs yellow. And over here we have shredded beets, and they're supposed to turn our eggs pink. Beware if you use the shredded beets, they will also turn your hands pink, and your clothing if you are wearing something light colored. Okay. I have cooked down all of the dyes, and I have let them cool, and I am ready to add the vinegar. We're supposed to do a tablespoon of vinegar. We'll call that about a tablespoon of vinegar. And then stir it around, and then pour it over the eggs in a container, and hopefully this is enough to cover the eggs completely. Oh, not quite. I'll have to add a little water to that. Ugh, that's a lot of turmeric sludge. So yeah, there's the yellow one made with turmeric. This is what the beet one turned out to look like. Sorry, light's going crazy. And here is the red cabbage. So this one's supposed to be blue, this one's supposed to be pink, this one's supposed to be yellow. We'll see what happens. Okay, so we have let our eggs sit in their natural dyes for a little while. We're going to fish them out. This is the one that was in the shredded beets. That's a nice bright pink color. The website says to massage oil into the shells, so I'm going to hand Emily oil on a paper towel and let her take care of that. Here, and I'll pull out one of
Careful
these.
not to stain your fingers when you're doing this.
Yeah, I discovered when shredding the beets that they your fingers can't get stained easily. All right, here comes a yellow one. It's not too bad. So the yellow from turmeric seems like it's a pretty decent color. The pink from the beets seems like it's a pretty decent color. Maybe some of the color might be coming off as Emily rubs oil in.
I think you're supposed to rub the extra stuff off
and then rub in the oil?
No, you're supposed to rub off this extra stuff and then you put it in. This is what the light pink is supposed to be.
All right, so that's a light pink. Here's the one that was done in the purple cabbage, which is supposed to come out blue. I don't really see much color on that one. So maybe if you do your purple cabbage, let that sit a little bit longer when you steep the dye. That's not too strong of a color. It does smell very interesting in here between all of the different ingredients. All right, so that was our attempt at naturally dyed eggs. If you try it, please take a video or pictures and send them to me so I can see what you've done. Talk to you guys later. Bye.